Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 12th video of our Golang series. In the 11th video we have discussed about the range keyword, right? If you haven't watched that one, please look into that one. These are the examples that we have discussed in that video, right? Okay, today we are going to mainly discuss about the functions, right? Functions are very important concept when we are studying the Go, right? If we want to create a function, this is actually a function, right? Using the func keyword we can create a function, right? This is a main function. Rather than creating the main function, we can create another function as well, right? As an example, if I want to create a function called add, right, we can simply use the keyword called func, right? And then we can add the any function name here, right? I will create a function name called add, right? And then this is the simple way that we can create a function, right? In this function we can add fmt.println, right? In here I am adding two numbers, right? 5 plus 10. If you want to call to this function, how we can call that one? We can simply call like in this way, right? I will run this one. This is the output, right? This is a simple way that we can create a function in Go, right? Okay, then if you want to pass a parameter here, we can do that as well, like in this way. We can define the function, define the parameter here, right? Like in this way, a int, right? This is the parameter name, this is the parameter type, right? I am adding a plus 10 here, right? A plus 10. Then I want to pass that value, otherwise we can't call to this function, right? How can I pass? I am passing 50, right? Then I will run this one. What is the output? 25, right? In here we are passing 15, and then it add the 10. 15 plus 10, 25, right? Hope you got that. Likewise, if we want to pass multiple values, we can simply put a comma and then pass another value as well. Then I will add these two values here, right? And I will pass 15 and 10, right? Then we will see the output 25 as same, right? Okay, this is the way that we can pass the parameters and how we can print that result inside the function, right? But now we will learn about how to return value inside the function, right? Okay, if we want to return this 15 to our main function, how we can do that? There's a keyword called return, and then we can simply return a plus b. In here they are saying that too many arguments to return, right? In here they are saying that too many arguments to return, right? In here we want to specify what type of argument we are going to return here, right? A plus b should int, right? Okay, then I can get the summation of that using this variable, right? We can define any variable here, and then I will print that sum here, right? 25. Okay, then if we want to pass 19, it is 29. Hope you got that, right? As well as in here we are passing the same type of parameters, then just we can remove this int, adding the int in multiple types, right? We do not want to repeat that type. In here they are identified that a and b are integer values, right? And then we can get that answer as well, right? These are very important, right? When you are learning about the functions, right? We can return any kind of thing here, right? As if I am create another function called divide, right? Divide, I am passing a comma b, plot 64, and then I will return the plot 64 as well, right? Func. We can now simply divide a by b, right? Return dividing a by b, right? Then we want to call to that function. How we can call to that function? We want to assign that value to answer variable called answer, and then I am calling divide, right? Divide 78.6 and 20.0, right? Okay, then I am printing that answer here, empty.println ans, right? This is the output of this function, right? Hope you have got a clear understanding about the functions, right? Do more practicing on this, right? Try with different type of parameters and try with different type of return types, right? This is actually very simple, right? But very important as it, right? And also we will have to discuss there are several other features too in Go functions, right? One is multiple return values, right? We will discuss that in our next video. Please do continue practicing these things, right? We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.